Okay, next one up is this stunning example Ducati 916. This is in for a full works package, which will include a full 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. Get a nice bit of depth pack to it, get some ceramic on it. Just tried to remove this rear wheel, but that nut is frozen on there, so I'm going to probably take this exhaust off just so I can get all this properly polished, get it all minted up before we apply any ceramic. Lovely example, old school, and then we've got a bit of new school here. Anyways, let's see if we can get this exhaust off, and we'll get this washed, get it in the studio, and crack on with a bit of polishing. All right, next attempt. Tried getting this exhaust off, but it's all pretty welded on there. I've managed to get the top bits off, and I borrowed a bit of a breaker bar to manage to loosen up this nut, which was absolutely on there. Anyway, wheels off. Now I've got access to everything. I can get all this swing arm cleaned up, get all that header pipes polished up, and then we'll crack on with washing the rest of it. Okay, back in the workshop with this 916, just giving these exhausts a bit of a polish. What a difference that makes. I'm just doing these end cans. This is got loads of tar and stuff on it. Let's get these polished up, get these back on, and then we'll crack on with some paint correcting. Got quite a few little marks on this paintwork, get a nice bit of depth back to it, but let's get these end cans finished and get them back on. Yeehaw! Finally got this exhaust back on. Let's give these springs a polish, and then we'll get this wheel back on. All right, time for my favorite part. We're going to do a 2-stage machine polish. I can see a few, I don't know whether it comes up, see all that? Lots of scratches where your knees obviously have been. The top's not too bad. Tail section's got a few marks on it. We'll get this front polished up before we put any ceramic on. There you go. There you go. 5 hours later, this Ducati 916 has been fully trotted. Oh my God, look at the gloss on that. This is one of our full works packages, which included a 2-stage machine polish on all the bodywork. This has had some extra polishing, as you've seen on the exhaust, looking pretty sweet. Unfortunately, those wheels have got a few stains in them. I can't get those out, but everything's been prepped, polished, treated with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro on all the bodywork, and we use the Trimx on the plastics. Absolutely gleaming. What a stunning example. All done, 5 hours on the dot. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. Give us a buzz at 079 66 249 963.